Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Over the last few days I've been seeing loads of videos on YouTube about Boxing Day onions, which I wasn't going to bother too much about because I've already got 50 autumn champion onions that I planted a month or so ago. So I've really got enough. But then when I was going through my seeds, I found this. It was a multi-pack of different kind of vegetables, as you can see. It's got all sorts on there that I bought out of Home Bargains, I think, for £1.50. And lo and behold, I forgot there was onion seeds in it. So I thought, don't want to feel left out of these onion planting videos. So I thought I would give onions a go for seed. Never done them before, with many things that I grow are first timers, so it's a bit of a hit and a miss. So I just thought, why not? I'll give it a go. Might as well use them. Got the seeds anyway. If they don't grow, they don't grow. So anyway, let's have a crack at this. So just to show you this, I bought this off Temu. It's really good. It's a kind of, I don't know, I suppose a sowing mat, a planting mat. It just keeps this soil, furniture and stuff if you're sowing indoors. I think it was 2 or 3 quid it cost me, maybe even less, I can't really remember. But as I say, they've got them on Temu. So as you can see, it's that wee planting tray, nice and portable. You finish with it, get a wipe, fold it over, put it away, it goes in a drawer or whatever. I'm going to use my trusty Lurf packs. I've got a few of these that I've been saving throughout the year for growing various things, mainly tomatoes I put in these last year. So we'll follow that up. I don't know about everybody else, but I'm really itching for the proper growing season to start. Even though I have got quite a few bits of prep work done at the allotment, but I'll still got a couple of months or so yet before the serious, quite a few months before the serious planting into the soil goes. So right, day for that. I'm not even too sure about the code. No, I can't read that. Anyway. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Stick half the pack in. I'm guessing I like covering. on the top. The thing with maize seeds, I don't think it's a good idea to bury them too deep in soil to give them a chance to poke through. So I think that's them all covered. I use one of these for the seeds that I plant indoors. It's just so I don't want to, you know, when I water them, I don't want the seeds to spray all over the place. Just give them a bit of water. Nothing goes to waste, so the lid off the left part, that'll sit on there, and that goes on top of the radiator. Just to give some heat to it, and I think that's it. So anyway, that's me part of the Boxing Day, well it's the day after Boxing Day, onion growing club. Wish me luck, and I'll keep you updated, see how they go. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for everybody that likes and subscribes. Catch you all in the next one, bye.